Welcome, 132 to Thursday afternoon. Hope everyone is having a great evening. The weather is nice outside. I did get one email. There is a typo. Actually, there's like two typos. One says to drop on Dropbox 2. Make sure you do go into the Dropbox in case there's another typo like this. Um, I think I might have uploaded this to the or pulled this project from the wrong file. But they should go to the corresponding projects that we're on. So if we see project 4, make sure that goes to project 4 Dropbox and then project 4 in D2L. Once again, I thought I had all these fixed summer, fall, and spring, but it looks like summer I still need to do some work. So make sure to do project 4 on page 4-5D. Um, Hold on real quick. Okay. And a quick thing. So as we get into server attacks and um, we get past, um, let's see, uh, cryptography, there is a site that I want to show you guys. Um, so here's one from ThreatMap, which is pretty cool. And there's a number of these out there, just so you can get a look at what's happening. Um, Source, target. This one is, as you can see, if you can read it fast enough, Trojans, Andromeda, phishing, rogue. Another one is the Norris site. And I pull these off to the side just because I don't know what's going to pop up at any given moment. FireEye, ThreatMap. Maybe they changed it. Maybe they went out of business. Here's another one, FireEye. Oh man, I wish I could bring up that Norris one for you guys because that one was actually had a the Norris had a site where you could actually see the attacks happening and do a radial select and actually see attacks take place. Norris attack by Fabe, Norris attack by not working. Let's try Kaspersky. Kaspersky threat map. Kaspersky's, Kaspersky's kind of the same one. We kind of look at it, look at what type of attack is going on, and it's always interesting to sit here and look at these things and kind of what do I want to say? Look at what type of attack is happening. Mail antivirus, on-demand scan, one access, vulnerability scan, Kaspersky anti-scan, and bad. So if you go over here to China, the eastern part of China, you can see that it's just labeled as bad. If we were to click off all these. And as you see, I play around with these quite a bit, just for fun. It's interesting to look at. And like I said, if you can read the threat map fast enough, you can actually see what's going on. And this is a reason why currently cybersecurity is growing so much. And once again, if you're in if you're going for the cybersecurity degree, great. If you're going for a networking degree, great. They kind of meld together, but when you specialize, you're going to be specialized in kind of a different categories. Networking more server type based, but it still has that element of security that needs to be known. And then when you go to cybersecurity, as long you can have an idea of all the security how it works, but then you have to know how the network itself works. So they overlap and intertwine between themselves really, really well. So you don't have to think that you're missing out by going one way or the other, but you will specialize just a little bit different when you guys get to the end of your degrees. Let's see. As we travel in the Doctor Who tube, it takes us over to another place. Reminder: tomorrow I start vacation. I'll be in South Dakota till about July 1st. I will be in touch with you guys online though, so keep turning in those items. I'll get grading done. Hopefully tomorrow when I arrive, I'll have some downtime before everybody shows up, and get that last week's grading in and give you guys a chance to correct grade changes over the weekend. But take a look at these maps. And once again, if you can find the Norris one, it works exactly like this too. You can kind of radial check and see what kind of attacks are happening. Very, very interesting to see what is going on and what's happening on a global scale around us. And this is just what we see. There's probably a lot more stuff that we don't see. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.